Hey guys, welcome to T.A.G. This is more of a surprise video. It just came out of nowhere and we were thinking of doing some DIY project on the wall behind me. So we're gonna be doing this project with washi tape. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I hope it works and it ends up looking good. And let's see what happens. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, this is my girlfriend, Momoko. Say hi. Alright, okay, let's begin.
People in a show, all lined in a row. We just push on by. It's funny how hard we try. Take a moment to relax before you do anything rash. Don't you wanna know me? Be a friend of mine. I'll share some wisdom with you. Don't you ever get lonely from time to time. Don't let the system get you.
Big city life, me try to get by. Pressure not ease up no matter what me try. Big city life, in my heart have no base. And right now Babylon they on me case. Big city life, try to get by. Pressure not ease up no matter what me try. Big city life, my heart have no base. And right now Babylon they on me case.
Soon our work is done. All of us one by
Hey guys, so we just kind of finished the wall a couple of hours ago, and I know that we haven't really talked much in the last video, but thanks for watching it. Thanks for watching it till now. But we just kind of wanted to let you guys know about what we went through. We also wrote down a couple of things, so it will be better if we kind of let you guys know what happened and what were the obstacles in order to do this. Now, I think the first question would be like why we used washi tape. It's kind of uncommon, the name washi, but it's a Japanese name, right? Yeah. As far as I know,
Everyone knows what washi tape is.
everyone knows what washi tape is.
Yes.
Okay. Well, you just okay. All right.
Okay, why did we use
Konnichiwa.
washi tapes?
Okay,
Yes,
all
why
right,
did we use
okay.
washi tapes?
Washi tape. Everybody
we
knows
could
what
have
washi tape
painted
is.
it, we could have
All right. Yes. The reason why I use washi tape is because so the place I live is rented, and we just kind of didn't want to destroy the walls and everything, and so I thought I was thinking of masking tape, but later masking tape, if you put your design, whatever you want to do, if you want to put it for prolong, if you want to use it for a long time, then it kind of destroys the paint that you already have on the wall. So we kind of wanted to use something that has less glue residue in it, and washi tape kind of became the substitute of it. And because it has different designs and colors, it also looked it would look different. Yeah, I mean masking tape is what, blue and white.
Like you don't have to do anything on the tape. You just paste it.
Right. Another one was painter's tape, but I live in Asia, and I live in a country called Bangladesh, and I tried looking at some shops for painter's tape, and they just keep giving me masking tape and PVC tape. I'm like, no, these aren't it. So yeah. So I ended up with washi tape, and I will say it's actually pretty cool. It's been hanging quite well.
Yeah, and then we even took it off to change the design so it didn't damage the wall at all.
We did that. Yeah.
Easy to work with.
We had a design in our head, but when we tried to put it in the wall, it just didn't look of how we thought it would look. So we kind of had to iterate some other, designs, and then it just ended up like that. So that's why in the time lapse you can see we kind of put the clouds, and then we kind of removed the clouds, and there was a couple of bits of seconds over there, just kind of like minutes, where it was like, I don't know what I'm doing. So we just had an idea, but the idea really wasn't portraying right in the wall, so we kind of had to change. But I really loved the ending of how it ended, so that was great. And as you kind of noticed, maybe did not, that the wolf has 2 different tapes. The idea behind it was basically we were out of washi tape. It was really hard to find the same color, the same design of washi tape. We tried looking for shops. We went to shops at the beginning of the video, in the middle of the video. We just couldn't find it. We went from stores to stores, and we just couldn't find the exact design. So that's how all those altercations start to happen, and all those, let's do this instead of that. So it was very weird. Yeah. Anything else?
No.
No? Okay. Well, it was just an interesting thing that I just wanted to do, and that's why I kind of asked her, would you want to do it? And she does draw, so we're not artists, but she's a bit of an artist. Okay, a great artist. She's a great artist.
No, it was fun.
Yeah. So I have no experience in this. I really didn't think it would look cool, but it does look cool. It did look cool. So that's something that I'm kind of happy
I think
about.
I would suggest that if you have the freedom to, then it's better to kind of trace it out with pencil, because the hardest part was to kind of take out the picture and then put it on the wall. It's always very different when you're actually taping it. Is it the right angle? Is it the right length? And yeah. So I think it will be a lot easier if you kind of trace out the designs with a pencil before you tape it.
Yeah, also, because the tape since the tape is the art, you're not painting or doing anything, the tape is the art. You can't really go in circulars.
Yeah.
You can't go around, so it always has to be lines. That's why that was also the other problem. So we had no tracing, and the way we wanted to do it really didn't end up doing it. We didn't have any tape, so yeah, we kind of had to improv the whole thing in the end. But in the end, it did look great. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys got some idea. It's very easy. It's just tape and a design. It won't take more than $10 for you. I don't know. For us, it took like $5.
Yeah.
Almost $5, yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, that's it, and if it's your own space, you can do so many other stuff in very different ways, so, hope you guys like it. If you guys do, please like the video, share, comment. We would love to hear what you guys think, or if you have any different ideas, or if we have done something wrong, please let us know, and, let us know what you like of what we did. We're not artists, I gotta say, but anyway, thanks for watching the video, and until then, peace out. We'll see you next time.